We are drawing this endless screw drive in front of us. So first, we're gonna go in new there. Since our dimensions are in millimeter, we're gonna say metric, standard millimeter, and then we say create. Here, we're going to start with rectangles. So this is our first one. Okay. This is our second one. Now, our first rectangle needs to be 1500 millimeters. Okay. Good. Our second one will be 1200 millimeters. Good. Now we need to make sure that the distance between this one here and that one is 150. Okay. Enter. That is good. So now this one needs to be 20 and that needs to be 30. Okay, that is good. Now we're gonna go for the third rectangle. There we go. And this one here needs to be 20 and that would be 180. Enter. That is good. Once we have this frame in place, we're gonna go into 3D model. We're gonna click on revolve. Here we're going to start by revolving this part here against our axis, which would be Z. Can you see that? Z. We say okay. We come here, we right click, we click on the sketch. Okay. So we right click on the sketch and then say visibility on. Now the visibility is on, we can see our sketch. Then we go on 3D model again, we click on revolve. We need to revolve this part here again against Z axis. Then we say okay. Here we need to go on coil. Here we're gonna click on this rectangle, this frame, and we are going to say that one against Z axis. As you can see, 235 millimeter, that is the dimension of the pitch, and we're gonna have 5 times the revolution, as you can see. Right, then we can say okay. So if you want, this is the right hand one, so you can say left, and then it's gonna go this way. Say right, then it's gonna go that way, and then so and so. You want to check the direction of the coil, you're gonna come there, it goes that way, and then you click again, it goes the other way. Right, then you say okay, and then you need to remove your visibility, the visibility of the sketch. You right click on the mouse, you say visibility off. Here you're going to select this part here, you select it, and then you need to create a fillet, and this side as well. So this is one side, and then you're gonna create the other side. You're gonna create this fillet here as well, there as well. Okay, you can say 4 millimeters, so 4. Right, you can create it there as well as here. Then you're going to say okay. Now you have your endless screw drive. The next thing that you want now is to give the material. So you're gonna come here, you click on generic, and then you say low alloy steel. So there we go. Now you have your endless screw drive. It was a pleasure of mine sharing this video with you. I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope that you're gonna enjoy it. For now, I'm gonna ask you to take care of yourselves. Please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share. See you on the next video. Bye.